This is like a no combustion engine area.
There you go. Hey, you guys know that there's no motorized vehicles up here, period. Hey!
Hey, he's calling the cops. Oh, what is this thing? What is he doing? Oh. Really warmed up my tire, eh? And got sticky.
Your oil!
Yeah, it's a lot of burnout.
Damn! Alright guys, so as you guys have noticed probably by now that me and Peter have been recording videos together. And me and Peter are going to join forces and we're going to start filming more content for you guys, more funny videos and better videos, different angles, things like that, because me and him are both kind of tired of the same angle on the GoPro and we want to get some better quality videos and more consistent and more just overall more videos for you guys. And what we have here right now is actually Peter's prized possession. It's a 1 in a million car. It's not just a car, it's not just a convertible, it's a hot tub. And well, I think I'm just gonna let Peter take it from here. All right, so this thing, bought it for 200 bucks. After that, I had this brilliant idea. Let's make it into a freaking convertible, right? Then I also had this other brilliant idea. I'm like, dude, let's make it into a drivable hot tub. Wait a second, hold on. A video tells the whole story. Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3.
Slowly.
All right, so ready to get flipped back over.
1, 2, 3. Jump up.
Sick.
Moment of truth. Here we go.
Whoa!
All right, baby. Rally racer.
I'm gonna be turning my convertible into a hot tub. My biggest concerns right now are if I put tarp over the pedals and I fill it with water, it's just gonna push the pedals in. So you can figure out what to do with that.
It's not really working, bro. All right, so now you guys have the idea of what the plan was for this car, what Peter had going on with it. And now we're gonna actually get this thing to be a full running hot tub on wheels. But that's gonna be for another video, guys. Very soon though. Be looking out for that one. Now, we're gonna take the pit bikes out and we got some jumps to hit. So let's go.
We're going right now to Beacon Hill. We're gonna go try to hit some jumps, see if we get into trouble with the bikers. Whoa. We found Bigfoot's home right there, boys. I barely gave third gear throttle and I went right over. That guy, after I hit the jump, he like stopped and was just staring. He's probably gonna come this way. Remember we hit those? Yeah, I remember those. It looks over your own though. But goes down all the way. See? I'm fixing anything and everything, okay? This is Peter's doing. But this is just from back tires. This is not from the wheels.
There we go. You guys know that there's no motorized vehicles up here, period. Last time the cops were up here, they impounded both the bikes that were here.
Yeah, we came from the woods over there.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of woods that way.
Yeah, from the neighborhood, from the woods. We just heard it ride and ended up here. It's funny. They came past us, saw us, went all the way over there, turned around, came back, tried to do a jump, almost ate crap, just to tell us that we're not supposed to be here.
Man, these guys are always so blurry.
I know, dude.
I do less damage with my street tires on their than they do on this.
We got more people coming down. Let's find out if they say something.
100% gonna say
Yeah. Oh, I'm surprised. Are they gonna turn around too?
I don't know if you guys know or not, but you know there's like a no combustion engine area. Like you can't have dirt bikes here.
Had no idea.
Yeah,
Okay.
just heads up.
Thanks for letting us know.
Yep.
How did I call it that they were gonna turn around?
Yeah.
I knew it when they turned around. I was like, it's weird because that's the second time someone did that. Shit. I was like cruising down, like coasting.
Coasting is super fun.
Yeah, we could do that.
Down here?
Yeah.
Screw it, dude. Wherever. Just go down.
Yeah, I don't really give a shit. I'll fight somebody. I don't care.
Dude, we made it hella far.
I know. I think we'll make it further now. This is exhilarating. Freaking mountain bikers. Why would you do this for fun? Without a motor. Doesn't make no sense. Catch up, Peter. Shortcut. That might have been a mistake. Ooh, dude. Fun going down, but going back up would suck ass without a motor, dude. Dude, this is supposed to be hella fun. I feel like there was never many people around here. Come say something to my face. Come here.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
I think is what he's saying is those aren't supposed to be here. I think that's all he's saying, man. That's all.
He could have been nice about it.
That's for sure. But
You seem nice, but that guy.
I feel like my street tires would do less damage than your guys' mountain bike.
Do you remember this spot?
I actually never rode here.
I think you have.
I ran through here. I've never actually rode this place.
Well, it looks way different now. 2015. 2012, 13. We used to hit these ones right here.
These ones right here?
Remember there's like 3 or 4 in a row and it turns around over there? I think I still have old video on my phone.
Is there always people around here, or what do you guys do?
Yeah, this is like the busiest spot.
Alright, let's keep going.
If we go that way, it could take us straight to the river.
Hey, almost. You got onto your swing arm. This place in the summer is pretty cool. Go swimming here, cliff jumping. Here's a good time here. Two. Huh? Which way? Probably, I don't know. This is a trail. We can try to follow the trail off. Which one? Yeah, I mean they're both trails, but recording us. I was like yelling at us. Hey! He just did that. First of all, that's hella funny. Hey, he's calling the cops. That's fine. Still tell him he should call sooner. You want it? Tell him to come faster, bro. For a rainy day as today, and like kind of a random time, there's a lot of hate today, boys. They hate us because they ain't us. Yeah, buddy.
right, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. Make sure you guys don't miss out on the hot tub car video, because that's gonna be a sick video. So hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.